Hello, everyone, and welcome to Animate X Universe.
Yes, welcome to our channel where learning English becomes easy, fun, and full of life.
If you want to improve your English listening, speaking, and pronunciation while enjoying friendly conversations,
then this is the perfect place for you. On Animate X Universe, we bring you short stories, daily conversations, and animated lessons to help you learn naturally.
before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Animate X Universe and turn on the notification bell.
So you never miss a new English lesson. Every video brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently.
All right, let's start today's episode.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. I just came from a coffee shop and it made my day better.
Really? I love coffee shops. They are relaxing and perfect for studying or talking with friends.
Exactly. When I entered the shop, the first thing I did was greet the barista. I said, "Good morning, may I have a cup of coffee, please?"
That's a very polite way to order. Politeness is important when speaking English.
Yes, and the barista smiled and asked, "Would you like milk or sugar?"
So what did you say?
"Yes, please. I'd like a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar."
Great sentence. Using "I'd like" sounds more natural and friendly than just saying "I want."
That's true. After that, I paid for my coffee and said, "Thank you. Have a nice day."
And the barista probably answered, "You're welcome."
Yes, simple conversations like this help us practice real-life English.
Let's teach our listeners a few useful expressions from the situation.
Good idea. First expression, may I have? This is a polite way to ask for something.
I'd like, it means I want, but in a softer and more polite way.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, let's practice together. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. What would you say?
Good morning. May I have a cup of tea, please?
Thank you very much.
Small sentences, but very powerful for daily communication.
Learning English is not about memorizing big words only. It's about using simple sentences correctly and confidently.
That's why on Animate X Universe, we focus on real conversations that you can use every day.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful,
don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Animate X Universe.
tell your friends who are learning English to join our growing community.
Because learning together is more fun and more motivating.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep learning with Animate X Universe.